Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. After a lot of requests, today I'm going to make authentic Korean kimchi. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. First, let's cut our Napa cabbage. Remove the core part, then slice it into cubes. Traditionally, they use the whole leaf and fold it while marinating, but I feel cubes are easy to handle and eat as well. Also, don't worry if you can't find the Napa cabbage. You can also use our regular Indian cabbage. Just follow the exact step. There is only one difference which I'll tell you later in the video. Separate the individual cubes after cutting. Add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix it with your fingers. The salt should coat each and every cube. Keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. Whereas you have to soak the regular cabbage for 4 to 6 hours. You can see the cabbage is wilted. That is, the salt has removed all the moisture from the leaves. Now let's wash the excess salt. You can wash it in your sink as well. I wanted to show you, that's why I'm adding water in the bowl. Mix it once and strain out the water. Take a small portion of the leaves and squeeze out all the remaining water. I followed the same procedure for the regular cabbage. As mentioned, it takes more time to soften. Also, they look mushy, but the cabbage is very crunchy, doesn't smell or taste raw. This was all about the cabbage. Let's start with making the kimchi. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour in a pan. To that, add 1 cup of vegetable stock. If you don't have the time to make a vegetable stock, then just buy Maggi stock cube and add 2 cubes in 1 cup of warm water and use it in this recipe. Once you see few bubbles, add 1 tablespoon of castor sugar or regular sugar and mix till it becomes thick and lump free. Once the mixture is cooled down, add it to the food processor or a mixer. To that, add 1 onion, 10 to 12 garlic pods, 1 inch ginger, again 1/3 cup of vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons salt and 1 tablespoon of castor sugar. Blend it into smooth consistency. Now transfer the mixture into a bowl. And in total, I'm adding 1 cup of Korean chili flakes. I tasted the chili flakes on its own and it's not that spicy, so you can try it. This is the product I'm using. You will find its link and all the product links I used in this video in the description box below. The color looks pretty good. Now add half cup each of julienne radish and carrot in both the bowls. Add 1 tablespoon of spring onion greens. Mix all the veggies. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the kimchi paste we prepared and mix it all together. Repeat the same for both the cabbage bowls. Transfer it in airtight container or airtight jars and let the kimchi ferment for 2 days in normal room temperature, and then you can store it in your refrigerator for up to 6 months. It's been 2 days and it smells so good. I tasted it that day and I was honestly disappointed since it was tasting like the marination we make for the Malwani fish fry. So I hope the fermentation did something. Garnish it with sesame seeds and let's taste both the kimchis. Wow, I'm legit surprised. The taste is so different now. It's literally a flavor bomb. It's sour, sweet, tangy, and the spice is slightly hitting on the back of my throat. All the veggies are super crunchy, but I'm actually salivating while still eating it, which never happened before. I don't know, it's making me more hungry. Maybe because of the amount of salt it has. It's always served as an appetizer. However, I absolutely loved it and highly recommend you all to try it at least once. Also, both the Napa cabbage kimchi and regular cabbage kimchi taste the same, so it's a win-win. I'm really enjoying trying out different cuisines. Let me know what you want me to try out next. Today's shout out goes to Pramila Leo, Maupriya Mondal and Kranti Chaudhary. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.